This is SP Javalkar from Creative English School, Bead Road, Aurangabad. Friends, we are learning punctuation since last 2-3 days. You might have a big question in your mind that why I have not completed it in one episode. I could, but when we learn lot of things in one day or in one period or in one episode, we remember few of them. But if we learn single thing with a good clarity, that lasting longer time in our memory. So hence today I have selected only one bit, that is capital letter. Capital letter has got 5 important rules, which they are: every sentence starts with capital letter. This is very common thing. Standard first, second, we have learned this till graduation or throughout our life too also. We'll think about it later. Second, proper nouns begins with capital letter. That also we will learn later. But we shall have to start it from 5th, 4th and 3rd rule. Which is the 5th rule? Nouns, pronouns of deity. Deity means what? Gods, goddesses. That starts with capital letter. For example, the Lord Shankara. Lord, this word started with L capital. Shankara, S capital. Second example, C is the goddess. G is capital, S is capital. So, 4th rule, 5th rule we got it over. So, we shall have to rub it. You have understood it. Because I have explained in the simple language, deities' name are started with capital letter. Then second, each fresh line of poetry in English started with capital letter. Jack and Jill went up the hill. What I said, that each fresh line of poetry in English starts with capital letter. Say suppose our nursery rhyme. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down, broke his crown. This is what we have learned. But observe these two lines. Jack and Jill went up the hill. This is second first line we have started. To fetch a pail of water. This word to we have started with capital T. Mean we have clearly understood each fresh line of poetry in English starts with capital letter. Okay. Then we have to go for the 3rd rule. What is the 3rd rule? Abbreviation are always in capital letter. Abbreviations are always in the capital letter. How? He is RAS. RAS is the abbreviated form of Indian Administrative Service. So I have not completely written Indian Administrative Service, but I have written RAS, and I is written capital, A is written capital, and S is written the capital. Okay, this is 3rd things also we have finished, and now last 2 things we have to finish. What is those? What those are? Proper nouns begins with the capital letter. Say suppose Rama. is the name of a person, boy, that starts with capital letter R. Sampath is the name of a person. It's my name. It starts with S. Aurangabad is the name of the city that starts with capital letter A. Mean every proper noun that starts with capital letter. And friends, the last but not least, and which is very, very common, because you are learning it from the standard first, second, you have good practice. And what that rule is, every sentence starts with capital letter. Whatever may be the type of sentence. He or I went there. She comes here. So every sentence, maybe whatever the type of the sentence, but that starts with capital letter. And very last and again more important, that one letter is there, that is I. Either it is at the beginning of the sentence, at the end of the sentence, at the middle part of the sentence, I is always capital when it is separately written. Friends, in this manner, we have learned today many important things about capital letter. If you follow them correctly, you will never make any mistake in writing in your future. Thank you. Have a great day.